What's up guys, KidMar95 here bringing you another episode. In today's episode we have a technical analysis on TenX here, currently down about 2% for the day, sitting at 67 cents. But we're looking at the BTC value, folks, sitting at about 10,300 Satoshis. But really quick, before we start this video, let's go ahead and give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're one of those. Don't worry, I love you as well. Market cap sitting at 224 billion. Today's volume is 13.7 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 51%. Not much has changed for BTC, up about 1%, sitting at 6.6. Ethereum up about 1.25%, sitting at 233. Ripple up almost 5, up almost back up to 60 cents. Bitcoin Cash down about 1, sitting at 534. EOS making its way to $6, up about 1.25%. Lumen's also up about 1.25%, sitting at 25 cents. Litecoin can't seem to break 61. Tether still hanging in at the number 8 spot. Cardano up about almost 2%, sitting at 8.5 cents. Monero still hanging out at 115. IOTA can't seem to get past 57. Dash still struggling to get up to 200. Tron almost back up to 2.5, up about 1.5%. Neo, hopefully you stay below $20 a little bit longer, but we'll see. Big winners today: Redcoin up about 22, Nebulous up about 20, and Dragon Chain up about 11. Big losers: Pivx down 8, Eternal Token down almost 7, and R-Chain down about 5. But you folks came here for some 10x. Market cap sitting at 74 million. Today's volume is 3.5 million. Circulating supply 109 million. Total supply 205 million. Major exchanges: OKEX, Bithumb, LA Token, Bittrex, Yobi, Liqui, Gate.io, HitBTC, KuCoin, Cryptopia, and Livecoin, and IDX. Oh, and Robinhood. Looks like are the major exchanges. First things first though, folks, BTC to USD on the daily. We did have that higher low, higher high, higher low, but remember we did fail to make that higher high. And then we had a couple of tests here at 6.4, new daily candle today. Is this wick gonna fail and continue pushing towards 6,000? Who knows? Momentum definitely doesn't look like it's in the favor of bulls. Looks like we actually maybe have topped out. So we could be seeing our sell-off continue here. Let's go ahead and shift over to the 4-hour really quick. So if we get a 4-hour break and close, folks, above 6,600, and we're just looking at Coinbase here. If we get a 4-hour break and close above 6,600, do expect us to continue pushing towards the upside, possibly towards 6.9. However, if we get rejected at this level, do expect us to continue selling off, possibly towards 6.3, even 6. But remember, just my personal opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. Shifting over to Ethereum to USD on the daily, this looks a little bit more promising, I would say. We got that higher low, higher high. It looks like we actually got another higher low here. However, still struggling to break above 240, as you can tell, a couple of exhaustion wicks there. Oh, sorry, before we shift over, momentum looks like, it was in favor of the bulls, however, slowed down a little bit, and now it looks like we're kind of at a little pause. Shifting over to the 4-hour, what we're waiting for, folks, is that 4-hour break and close above 235. Once we get that 4-hour break and close above 235, we should see a nice push towards the upside. However, if we get rejected at 235, do expect us to continue selling off towards about 150, 160. Litecoin to USD, same thing. Got the higher low, higher high, higher low. We did actually form a higher high. However, we can't seem to break 63. We came up to 62, almost 63 again, and now we've kind of been selling off. Momentum is in favor, or starting to shift in favor of the bears, so do expect us to continue selling off. Waiting for that 4-hour break and close, folks, above $61.50. Once we get that break and close above $61.50 on the 4-hour, we should see a nice push towards the upside. However, if we don't get that break, do expect us to sell off towards about 50 to 55. Actually, let me put that back on the daily. But you folks came here for some 10x to BTC. Pay to BTC is its ticker symbol. So we're looking at the weekly here. Since all-time high, pretty straightforward, been in a nice major downtrend. However, we did double bottom here at about 8,000 Satoshis, bottom 1, bottom 2. What I was waiting for was that daily break and close above 10,350. Looks like we actually did get that, and momentum is starting to shift in favor of the bulls. Let's go ahead and shift over to the daily really quick. So it looks like, yeah, yesterday we actually got that daily break and close above 10,350, and now it actually looks like we're coming back down to test for support. So what I'm looking for, and momentum has bottomed out, waiting for it to actually shift towards the upside. What I'm waiting for, folks, is go back to the 4-hour. I'm waiting for price to come as low as about almost back to 10,000 Satoshis, as close as possible to 10,000 Satoshis. So we can retest our support here at this level at 10,000 and then continue bouncing towards the upside. So either wait for the bounce towards 10,000, that's an entry, or we did already get that daily break and close above 10,300, which was our first entry. But if you want to play it safe, just wait for the bounce. I'm taking an entry here. Once we get, or actually I already took an entry here. I'm waiting, now I'm just waiting for it to bounce at 10,000. If we don't get that bounce, it's alright, we're just going to head towards the upside. If we do, even better, I get a better position, but just my personal opinion. So wait for that bounce off 10,000. We are retesting for support. Where do I see this coin going in 2018? Currently sitting at about 10,000 Satoshis. I think we could easily come up to about 15,000 by the end of 2018, if not early 2019. But just my personal opinion. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, keep commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys subscribe. You have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.